Hello and welcome back to Digital Asset Daily. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in your corner of the world. I want to get into a few articles of discussion tonight, starting with what is Spark, FLR, and the Flare network, as Spark seems to have a lot of excitement currently within the XRP community. And let's get into that. So if you are new, you understand what's going on. Flare is a distributed network with some unique properties, and it can be used to create two-way bridges between networks such as Ethereum and the XRP ledger. So this means that it allows the XRP token to be used with smart contracts. Spark token is the native token of Flare, and a portion of the supply is airdropped to XRP holders, including those on Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and others. We've shared all of that information for you to be able to receive your airdrop for those of you who are interested. All you have to do is hold your XRP on Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, etc., and you can get your share of the airdropped tokens. On the introduction, as you may know, Ripple's XRP ledger, the XRPL, is a global payment and foreign exchange network. While it has been optimized for this use case, it has limited utility when it comes to other types of functionality. This is where the Flare network aims to solve by introducing support for smart contract capability for the XRP token. So Spark is the native token of this network, and a portion of its supply is airdropped to eligible XRP holders. So how can you get your hands on it? Let's read on. And I do believe it's broken down. You get something like 15 to 30% of this drop, and then it's broken down into percentages over like the next, I think, 36 months or something to that effect. So what is the Flare network? The Flare network is a distributed network that integrates the Ethereum virtual machine, EVM. The EVM basically converts smart contracts into instructions that computers can read, and this enables the network to run the Turing complete smart contracts. And again, that's something that Stellar is also doing the same and working on. So Turing completeness means that it can virtually run any computational task as long as there's enough memory to run it. So this means it can combine some powerful properties to create an ecosystem of decentralized applications, and in short, Flare aims to be a way to scale smart contract networks. So Flare uses a consensus protocol called Avalanche, which has been adapted to work with Federated Byzantine Agreement, the FBA. FBA is a consensus mechanism used by networks such as the XRPL and Stellar. We won't get into the technical nitty-gritty here, but the bottom line is that Flare's consensus algorithm doesn't rely on economic mechanisms like the proof of stake, the POS, to maintain the security of the network. So what are these economic mechanisms, you ask? Well, take a token like Ether, the ETH for the Ethereum network, for instance. Once Ethereum fully switches to proof of stake, the POS, and Ethereum 2.0, the security of the network will be entirely dependent on validators who stake the token. This means that by extension, the security will be dependent on the token and the amount of it that's staked. So Flare's consensus protocol, it doesn't require this. But why is this worth noting? Because it enables the network token to be used for other types of uses, even ones that would be dangerous for networks that do rely on the token for security. Basically, according to the creators of Flare, this design choice adds more versatility to the token without compromising security. And what is the Flare token? FLR. Spark is the native token of the Flare network. Its base use case is similar to that of other native tokens to prevent spam attacks. If transactions would be free, spamming and congestion the network with useless transactions would also be free. Sort of similar sounding to how Stellar requires you to use XLM, which basically does the exact same thing. It prevents the spam attacks for the exact same reasons. So in addition, the Spark token can be used for the following functionality as collateral within decentralized applications, the dApps. and for providing data to an on-chain oracle. To participate in protocol governance, and these three components aim to enable an ecosystem of applications that rely on Spark called Spark Dependent Applications, the SDA. Now, SDAs can also allow for trustless representations of tokens on other networks, even ones that don't natively support smart contracts. Is it starting to come together yet? Yes, and this is where XRP comes into the picture. Now, what is the Fxrp token? Now, Fxrp is a trustless representation of the XRP token on the Flare network. It can be created and redeemed by XRP holders through smart contracts. The system also relies on participants who put up Spark tokens as collateral and earn fees during the creation and redemption of Fxrp. This, combined with the potential arbitrage opportunities, should ensure that the one-to-one peg between XRP and Fxrp is maintained. Now, remember when we talked about the Flare, how it enables smart contract capability on the networks that don't natively support it, is the question. That's exactly what's going on with Fxrp. It allows XRP to be used with smart contracts and without the need for a central party to issue wrap tokens, in other words, in a trustless manner. So how to get the Spark token airdrop for XRP holders on Binance, and this is specific to Binance. So 45 billion Spark tokens are airdropped to XRP holders. You can claim these tokens using your own wallet, or you can participate in the airdrop through Binance. This way, all the technical nitty-gritty will be handled for you, and you just have to hold your XRP on Binance at the time of the snapshot. What do you need to do to get this Spark airdrop? Hold your XRP on Binance at the time of the snapshot. When is the snapshot? The snapshot will be taken at 2020 12 a.m. UTC. Technically, it will be taken at the first validated XRP ledger index number with a timestamp greater than or equal to December 12, 2020, 0000 a.m. UTC. Now, when do you get the airdrop tokens? The airdrop tokens will be distributed at a later date. And for more information about the Spark token airdrop on Binance, feel free to click the link right here on this page. And all of these links, as with every video, will be available in the description below, including affiliate links. So feel free to check those and see if they can help you and make your life a little bit easier. So now the closing thoughts of this article: Flare Network is a way to scale networks that don't support smart contracts. So Flare allows XRP to be used with smart contracts in a trustless way, and a portion of the Spark supply is airdropped to XRP holders, including the ones on Binance. And I hope that gave you a lot of information, especially for new investors who are just getting into XRP, and now you've came in at the time that there's actually, I guess you could consider this a benefit or a reward for having your XRP and just basically putting it on the exchange. At this point, I believe almost every major exchange is now supporting the Spark airdrop. So hopefully that answers your questions and concerns in regards to the Spark token from the Flare network for XRP holders and investors. Next article: XRP price action is imminent? A closer look at the market's number 3 crypto. The $1 price mark remains a psychological barrier for XRP, with the third-ranked crypto by market capitalization still 85% off its all-time high. Its all-time high previously back in 2017, well, pretty much overflowing into 2018 of January, the mid-month, it basically hit $3.84, just for your awareness and for your knowledge for a new investor. So as the second largest altcoin by market capitalization, XRP is hardly far from consideration during periods of significant bullish enthusiasm in the cryptocurrency market. Despite being 85% down from January 2018 high, recent price spikes have sparked noticeable interest in XRP as investors consider viable diversification candidates for their crypto portfolios. So any discussion about XRP often includes criticisms of Ripple, which is a blockchain payments firm that originally created the XRP token. Furthermore, XRP critics argue that Ripple's ownership of the majority of the token supply, as well as its penchant for dumping coins on the market, is likely to erode any significant value for XRP holders. As a firm located in the US, Ripple is also contending with the lack of regulatory clarity in the country, and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is yet to state whether the XRP token is a security, a ruling that could have significant implications for the firm. So in the absence of clear-cut regulations, U.S.-based investors appear reluctant to risk significant exposure to XRP. Also, traders who bought above $1 back in 2018 might be expecting considerable selling pressure as they attempt to recoup their initial investment, likely keeping prices lower. So the XRP up twofold since November. And if you're following the current trend, which if you're an XRP holder, an investor, I'm quite sure that you are. So at the time of recording this article or this content, the price of XRP is at 58 cents. Now, as we get into the next article, these three XRP pairs just got added to FX Coin. So Japanese cryptocurrency exchange FX Coin has listed 3 XRP pairs. So from now on, its users will be able to trade Bitcoin BTC, Litecoin LTC, and Bitcoin Cash BCH against the third largest cryptocurrency. Next article, 1.2 billion XRP shifted by BitHum and other top exchanges ahead of the Spark airdrop. So a mammoth-sized 1.2 billion XRP has been wired by leading exchanges BitHum, Kraken, and a few others just 2 days before the snapshot for Spark airdrop is to be made. And recently today, there was a few 100 million XRP sent from Ripple directly to Uphold. So in the next article, airdrop mania could drive Ripple prices up 3x, and should you invest in XRP? Flare Network's XRP airdrop will give XRP investors free tokens on December 12. So what's the catch? Since November, the XRP valuation has almost tripled on mania over the upcoming XRP airdrop, a promise by blockchain network Flare Networks to give away up to 45 billion free XRP tokens. In the next article, Copper appointed as official custodian for Flare Networks and Spark token distribution. So Copper will securely store Spark FLR tokens on behalf of Flare Networks and the Flare Foundation. Next article, Ripple coin could be Brexit trade solution. So Britain is scrambling to not end up in a no-deal situation, but the Ripple coin might be its solution. Today, Prime Minister Boris Johnson confirmed that the EU was not realistic in EU trade talks. The deadline for the UK to negotiate an EU deal is the 31st of December, which means the UK has an impossible amount of time to make a decision. By the 31st of December, the UK will officially be cut off from the EU trading rules. Likely, the UK may not be able to negotiate anything. The Prime Minister will have dinner with the EU chief Ursula von der Leyen later to discuss a deal. So what Boris Johnson should be feasting on is how Ripple could be the Brexit trade solution they have been dreaming of. You have the Ripple coin and CBDC news. The World Economic Forum recognizes that Ripple coin is the best cryptocurrency there is for making settlements across intra and interbanks. With more banks opting to adopt central bank digital currencies, the CBDC, Ripple is also the perfect solution for them. XRP can be used as leverage by CBDCs, and the manager of RippleNet delved online on the 27th of November of how Ripple could work well with CBDCs because they can be transferred easily via the RippleNet. The company declared XRPs would be an excellent bridge currency for cross-border processing payments. The company also claims that it is more scalable than any other currency. Good scalability means that the currency's blockchain can accept users on it and deliver transactions and payments in a reasonable amount of time. The Ripple coin has the most capacity to enable people to pay across the borders most efficiently, and comparably, Ripple is less costly than the other crypto coins. Using XRP could essentially make trading easier if cross-border payments are made through it. So we will see how this goes. And it's going to be very interesting and very exciting. I know for a lot of you who are doing the Spark Flare airdrop for your XRP holdings. And again, you can see there's a lot of hype and a lot of hope that this will boost the price, and it should make a lot of things more interoperable for XRP, it seems, within other networks and other digital assets, which should improve the banking solutions for greater efficiency and speed and cost as well. So it's going to be a very exciting year to see how this plays out before the end of the year. I know there's a lot of hope and expectations before Christmas, and we will see how that goes. So before we go, I'm going to leave you with a final thought. The comeback is always greater than the setback. Remember, this is not financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. So hit that like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.